everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan and today I'm going to show you how to put some fog lights in your Ford F-150. This is really easy and straightforward. Do not pay someone to do this. You are more than capable of doing this on the ground without any tools. So let's jump in. So while we're working on our fog lights here, you can do this on the ground. It's not that big of a deal. You just need to have the truck on so you can turn the tire. But if you have it up in the air, it's a little easy. You can just turn your wheel all the way to the right if you're working on the driver and all the way to the left if you're working on the passenger. So now we have plenty of access to where the fog light lives. So on the fog light here, there's a safety, but it's divided in two. So you just use one finger to lift both sides of the safety. See, it's divided in the center. Once it's past that point, we can unplug it, push that aside. Now on the fog light itself, we can grab and rotate to the left and then remove straight out. Easy. So here's a stock fog light, and a normal stock fog light will look just like it, but the owner of this truck wanted some LEDs in there. I don't blame them, they're pretty cool. And I will leave a link down below in the description to these bad boys, as well as our stock units. And when you're handling light bulbs, it's always a good idea to be wearing gloves. Oils from your skin can get on the bulb and cause hot spots and even fires in very rare cases. So just never touch these. Always use gloves to handle them. So we can install that. So when we're installing our new bulb, make sure the way we're installing it is there's a wider tab here, or there's a wider tab here and a wider tab on my thumb. There's kind of a pointier one, or thinner one right there, and you just line that up, put it in. Might have to push in a little bit and rotate to the right, and always make sure that the connector is facing down, because if it's facing up, it'll be like a little cup for water and debris that can end badly for you. So we can go ahead and plug that bad boy in, and our fog light is installed. Let's check out what it looks like. And check that out, look how much better it looks with the LEDs, or if you're using stock stuff, it'll actually look better even just using the stock stuff, because it'll be nice and bright as opposed to broken, which most likely yours are. But I have to say, these LEDs look fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Replacing this fog light on your own will save you at least $50. That was not $50 with labor if you ask me. Anyone could do this, even on the side of the road. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time.